Hello, my name is Naomi. I'm 8 years old and I'm so glad you are here today. I love making stuff. So here on my channel, I show you how to make awesome things. Today we're going to make awesome lemon bars. When I tried them, I took one bite and I was like, they were so good. Let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 350. Let's start with the crust. The ingredients for the crust are really simple. All you need is 2 sticks of butter, half a cup of powdered sugar, and 2 cups of flour. First, beat the butter and the powdered sugar till creamy. Now add your flour bit by bit so it doesn't poof. Now put it in a greased 9 by 13 inch pan. Make sure your hands are clean because this next part you're gonna pat it down like this until it's all evenly spread out. See, nice and even. Now let's bake it for 20 minutes. While it's baking, go find that like button and hit it. And now let's make our lemon layer. For the lemon layer, you're gonna need 4 eggs, 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon lemon zest, 6 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/3 cup of flour. First, beat the eggs until they're light. The sugar and beat until it's thick. Now add everything else and beat until it's blended. Now put our lemon stuff on top of our hot crust. Now let's bake it. Set a timer for 30 minutes, then check it. When I checked it at 30 minutes, it needed about 5 more minutes. You want the top layer to be like the texture of pudding. So you want it to be a little jiggly, but not super runny like water. Put some powdered sugar in a sifter and sprinkle it on like this. It's snowing! Let's cut into it. Ready to see it? Taste test time! This is really good. You want to see how to make a lemon curl like I did on this plate? So you're gonna want to cut it about to the center, and then put it on the plate next to your lemon bar so it looks pretty. There. Okay, I'm gonna try lemon. There you have it, delicious lemon bars. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you can see more awesome videos just like this one and so my channel can grow. Thanks for watching. Bye!